Local SEO for law firms is growing, and keyword searches such as near me have grown by 900% in the last 2 years, as customers are increasingly looking for local and convenient solutions to their legal disputes. If you want to know what local SEO for law firms looks like and how to do it, you've found the right video. So what actually is local SEO for law firms? Well, the overall aim is to boost your brand's website and online presence to acquire more leads through search engines. To do this, we might look at working on technical SEO, collect client reviews, create consistent high quality content, and apply link building strategies. Specifically looking at local law firm SEO, we'll use all these techniques while targeting a specific geographical area. You might be asking, why is ranking in local search results important for law firms? And we'll start by looking at the obvious. Approximately 99% of consumers said they use Google to discover local businesses. So those looking for legal help will be looking for a local solicitor's practice. Equally important are benefits such as better online visibility, increasing in-office traffic, gaining targeted web traffic, and even appearing above your competitors in your area. In fact, we've recently rolled out a new map pack service through which we can guarantee a top 3 position on Google within 90 days. You'll even get your money back if we don't achieve it. Check out the description below this video for more details on that. All of these benefits result in more qualified leads, which ultimately become paying clients for your law firm. Concentrating on your ranking is an investment which works gradually and consistently. So what are the factors which contribute to local SEO ranking? Well, there are countless ranking factors, but focusing on the following will usually be enough for you to stand head and shoulders above the competition. Google Business Profile, where you need to establish your profile to build your local presence. On-page signals, which include everything from page titles to meta descriptions. Online reviews, which, assuming you're well reviewed, will help you rank higher than your poorly reviewed competitors. Local backlink profile, meaning you need to be referred to or linked to from a local newspaper or community website. Searcher proximity and behavior, which refers to the location of a person is searching from in relation to your location. Click-through rates and on-site behavior. Ensuring that we focus on these things is how we maintain high rankings for all clients in the law industry. Given that Google controls about 80 to 90% of the search engine market, let's focus on that. 97% of first page results will contain at least one of the following elements: featured snippets or ads at the top and bottom of the page, video carousels, snippets containing extra info next to the specific search results, site links and FAQ or people also ask boxes. Some elements are more important than others, and there are 3 particular elements law firms who are targeting local SEO need to look at. The first is the Google Map Pack. This contains 3 local results for a particular business type in a specific geographic area. It focuses on a lot of the elements we just mentioned, but mainly on your Google business profile and getting great reviews. The second is local service ads. These are paid ads which enable local businesses to collect more leads via message requests and phone calls. This is a very effective method for local law firms because it guarantees results at the top of the search engine page. The third and final element is the Google Business Profile, formerly known as Google My Business. This is integral to your success in the local SEO battlefield. Claiming your business online allows you to control how it appears in local search results. You can set your law firm's address, map positioning, opening hours, phone number, and much more by doing this. 46% of all Google searches have local intent, so not having a business profile means you might as well be invisible. Given that Google Business Profile is so important, how do you optimize your law firm's profile? Thankfully, it's actually very easy to do. A solicitor with no SEO experience can do it in just a few minutes, and here are a few simple steps to do so. Step 1, visit the Google Business Profile website and claim your law firm's listing. If you can't find it, create it yourself. Step 2, ensure you provide up-to-date and accurate information about your business. Step 3, create a business description which sells. Step 4, add high-quality images and videos. Step 5, contact current and former clients and ask them if they can leave positive reviews. Step 6, use the post feature to share interesting content which will improve your discoverability on search. Step 7, use the question and answer section to provide helpful information about your legal brand. In terms of local SEO, we can't control who searches for you and where they are located, but what we can control is hitting the basic local SEO factors, driving organic traffic and increasing leads. For example, if you're a law firm with multiple locations, you need to make sure you have separate location pages which Google will be able to recognize as different. So avoid duplicating content just to save time. Try not to spam location-based keywords and write content specific to your area. This shows your potential customer and Google that you know what you're talking about. Hopefully this video has taught you a little bit about local SEO for law firms, in terms of some of the basic steps we could take to improve organic rankings as well as local ads. Like any SEO strategy, it's not just about taking a single action or making a couple of changes to your approach. To consistently see business growth and new leads, you need an entire SEO strategy, which is where Tau Digital Marketing comes in. We've helped countless UK law firms generate more leads and win business, letting them focus on what they do best, supplying expert legal advice to existing clients. To learn more about online success, reach out to us through our details in the description below.